So, hello YouTube, this is my first video about this. I've been working on a project about neural networks for the past 2 weeks. I've been learning about it, and this is an example of what it looks like. So for now I still have to change some parameters by hand, but then in a while try to make it better. So I'll explain a bit. You have a racetrack that the little cubes need to complete. Like you can see the mouse cursor is doing the racetrack right now. Each green line is a checkpoint. The more checkpoints a cube goes through, the more score it gets, and that's how I base the best the best neural network setting basically. And we can see already this one is one quite far. So each new generation takes the best neural network, the best performing one, and just makes a copy of it with 10% of the weights or bias, no, just the weights actually, 10% of them will be changed. And it's doing quite well. So yeah, now comes the changing by hand thing. So I changed the time the simulation goes now to 20 seconds, so we can see them hopefully going a bit further away and maybe complete a full lap. After 8 generations, that's not bad. Yay, good. Full lap. And then they die. Yeah, not that good after the first lap. Okay, and that's it for now. That's my first version. Quite proud of it. I understood all the basic concepts and I'm super excited about it. I think I'm gonna make some tutorial videos on how to implement that for Unity quite easily. I mean, I really started from scratch, not knowing anything about neural networks. I had to learn about matrix calculations, linear algebra, and all that kind of shit that I never really did before. And it works. Haha, it's amazing. Okay, I'll stop here. See ya.